Eric Keller here, Enthusiast Auto Group. We are driving an E28 M5. This is the Honest Driver. It's only fitting that it begins to rain on me as soon as I get a nice little stretch of road to show you what this car drives like. So I wanted to take the opportunity to bring some fellow enthusiasts inside the car for a bit. A lot of guys have not had the opportunity to be around an E28 M5 all that much, or maybe a good one at least, and kind of show you what things sound like and kind of feel like. It's kind of hard obviously through the video, but you can certainly take a little bit away from just the inputs and the sounds. The car is really solid. It's got a very tight but comfortable suspension. It has a really good power band, as you just saw, and has no shortage of actually it's a really tight shifter. There's no slop in the shifter, which is it does have a shorter throw shifter in it. Fresh Michelin's on there to soak up the corners. E28 M5s are very capable, and there is no denying that this is a true performance machine. The first drives I had in one of these some 20 years ago is certainly coming back to me every single time I drive one of these things, because it's still all the same. I mean, it's got a real heavy clutch. I mean, it comes right on, and it's very tactile. I mean, it's easy to drive smooth, and especially for a farm kid like me, you know, learn to drive stick on a tractor. Thing is proper, and we're a little bit low on fuel, like really low on fuel, and so I think we are probably needing to fill that up. But I wanted to, you know, also, you know, the sounds, and listen to these mirrors. So tempting. Okay, fine. Okay, we have a geese crossing, and that was a great test of the 4-piston front brake system. You can't plan for this stuff. Just kind of gotta roll with it. It's a really tight car. I mean, there are not a lot of creaks and rattles and noises. Listen. An E39 M5 makes more noise than that over that bump. This is my little test loop. Oh man, it's an honest driver. Like I said, this is a good car. And here we are at EAG. All of our cars inside, safe and sound. There's workshop number 2 up here on our left. Just past the stoplight up here is the body shop and paint correction studio. Body shop, paint studio. So that kind of completes just a quick little hot lap with the Honest Driver. I hope this was helpful in giving you a little bit of perspective of what an E28 M5 sounds like, feels like. All right, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more. See you.